So today we're going to be looking at bus stop division. Let's get started. First, we must draw our bus stop that looks something a bit like this. For our first example, we're going to divide by 2. So we're going to put it on the outside of our bus stop. And then I'm going to divide it by 642. And they go on the inside of the bus stop. When we are doing bus stop division, we deal with each number in turn. So we would divide the first number that's inside the bus stop by the number on the outside the bus stop. So the first one would be 6 divided by 2. There are a few options you can use when you're trying to work out a division sum. You can first of all count on your fingers up in 2s. So 2, 4, 6. You then want to look at the number of fingers you're holding up, and that will give you the answer. If you also have cubes or small objects lying around your house, you can use them to divide them into 2 equal groups. So your answer for 6 divided by 2 is 3. And we place this at the top right above the number 6. We then do the same with the next number that we can see, which is 4, and we divide that also by 2. So we have 4 divided by 2. You can do the same method as before, counting up in 2s on your finger until you get to the number 4. So 2, 4. You have 2 fingers holding up, which is the answer. You do the same thing as before and put that above the 4. Lastly, you do the number at the end and divide that by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now that is your sum complete. So 642 divided by 2 is 321. Let's have a look at another example. So we're going to start again with drawing our bus stop. This time we're going to divide by 3. So we put that on the outside of our bus stop because that is the number we are dividing by. Then I'm going to put a number in the bus stop. So we're going to go for 723. We do the same as the last time. We look at the first number within the bus stop and divide that by the number on the outside. So now we have 7 divided by 3. We'll do the same method as before by counting on our fingers in the 3 times table. So we go 3, 6. We have to stop there as the next number is higher than 7. So first, we count how many fingers we have holding up before we get to the bigger number. So we have 3, 6. We have 2 fingers holding up, but we need to get to 7. From 6 to 7, we need to add 1. So we add in our leftover remainder down below. We only have 1 remainder. We then look at our next number, our second number in our bus stop, which is no longer 2, it is now 12. So we divide that by 3. So we have 12 divided by 3. Now, as I've said, you can use cubes to divide 12 into 3 equal groups and see how many is in each group. Or if you know your times tables, you can count up. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12. If you look at your hands, you'll see that you've got 4 fingers holding up. So the answer for that is 4. Finally, we go on to our last number within our bus stop and we divide that by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, so we add that right on top of the 3. And there you have the answer when you have a remainder within the bus stop. So 723 divided by 3 is 241. And that's your sum complete. If you would like to learn more about bus stop division and would like to look at remainders, there will be a video following this one on our YouTube channel.